Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka office jangu Deputy Commissioner Election West Khasi Hills District haka kendai terik mentau nailar arjar khat kendai kala pelong ye ke jingyalang kabala tip kum ka Electors Verification Program kam Special Drive Campaign kerpang na ka bentagi seng sain perthai pat kinong pathai kubor jongkane ke district. Kajing temu jongka Election Commission jongkari India halor kajing pelong ya kani ka lumpung ai jing hikai kalong banang penbahas susu ya kajing terik kam jongka tenat election. Ya gani ke jingyalang la pelong hapo conference room jongka office trekam jongka DC Hanongstoin bat ha gani ke sngilai don lang ru Deputy Commissioner ka West Khasi Hills District uba Tilengwa IAS ka ADC jongka ni ke district ka AVD Shira u EAC uba S Warjri ki election returning officer ginong yalam jongki sengsan perthai ginong pathai kubor bat giwe
from 2nd and 3rd November and 9th and 10th November. But last time when we were undergoing this video conferencing, Chief Election Officer from Shillong already confirmed that he had submitted one request to the ECI to spare us, especially this Meghalaya, taking into account the Wangala celebration that will take place in the first week of November, and many political leaders may take part in that. And not only that, most of the officials will be involved. So taking into consideration, CEO Shillong already submitted one petition. I will give you the probable that he had mentioned that 25th and 26th, Saturday and Sunday, that will be October, and then 1st and 2nd November.
Ni kuma ne ni kajin temu jingi ni kalong ba yakini ki pureo ki ba dan ke jinguna ki khatman ni kuma ban penrum kerteng ki 100% 100% indai uwei ngampa ban semua uwei na tiru ubawan ni komplain hadian ban ma khalmi arum kerteng unu ni bala ibet udi bani arum kerteng yakini ke khubor ngela ai sakini ki bero bagire ban ni jurep aman la kisnang dan ne ki pureo ki ba dalam sebenarnya kita tuna ke dekat hendak di tempat juga kan program nomor hakikat bagaimana ada nasi narajing bagi kimla pan dia bagi sekarang lagi kimla pan poi ini jadi bakum kita kemudian ni lah bala lagi biang lupa kita kisah kait ke senam dengan kalau biang injen kan ban kot hari ini kini kani meeting ni ke cover no kani meeting ni ke cover ya ke district berapa ya ke Mairang baca musim berkunjung the political parties who ngatrai kan saya aware dalam yang kiparok jadi bahasa Mayang bahasa Mausinot Kenya activate no hal gitu di tarik ke announcement.